Roads are critical to a nation's economic development and social well-being. With increasing population and the traffic that comes with it, existing roads are often neglected. For the sheer number of assets that exist within roadways, there's only a finite amount that a government can spend on maintenance. A majority of the contractors still deploy archaic field inspection techniques to survey roads. These methods have proven to be costly, time-consuming, and inadequate for road asset management. The gap is the very reason why it was critical to develop a sustainable road asset management system. SeekRight, a state-of-the-art video analytics-based machine learning solution that can detect over 100 assets. A manual survey of a 400-kilometer stretch in one day would require a minimum of 4 vehicles and 16 personnel. SeekRight covers the stretch with only 1 vehicle and 1 personnel. Retrofit our camera into any vehicle, and the system records and analyzes HD videos with precise GPS coordinates to ensure accurate monitoring. This enables our YOLO algorithm to make lightning-quick computations. It also includes an industry-first night mode. The customizable dashboard can monitor over 100 assets, which is more than any competitor. Your assets at your fingertips. SeekRight. We bring efficiency to you.